Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start with clean hands and lukewarm water. This reduces irritation. Apply 1-2 pumps to your fingertips, not a loofah, because direct gentle contact controls pressure. Once done, spread foam or liquid over the external intimate area using small circular motions for about 30-45 seconds. This gently removes sweat, debris, and odor-causing bacteria. Make sure to stay external only. This wash is formulated for outside. Once you've massaged the wash, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water for 20-30 seconds to remove residue. Leftover product can cause dryness. Gently pat dry with a clean towel. Moisture traps bacteria, so make sure skin is dry but not overly rubbed. After drying, assess how you feel. No burning, stinging, or strong chemical smell should be present. If everything feels normal, you're done. This routine supports comfort and keeps natural skin balance intact. You finish by using the wash once daily or per label instructions. More frequent use can strip protective oils, so avoid overdoing it. If you notice redness, persistent itching, or burning, stop using the product immediately and rinse the area with plain water. This reduces exposure and calms irritation. If symptoms persist beyond 48 hours or worsen, make sure to consult a clinician. Sometimes an allergic reaction or infection needs targeted treatment rather than more topical wash.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.